Swollen feet: how to relieve discomfort and restore well-being. Hello everyone, today we're going to address a topic that affects many people, the discomfort of swollen feet. I'm here to help you better understand this situation. First, let's explain what causes swollen feet. Basically, it's the accumulation of fluid in the feet, which can result from bumps, sprains, or circulatory problems. Who hasn't twisted their ankle or gotten a bump and felt their foot swell? This swelling is the result of an inflammatory process that causes fluid to accumulate in the foot. Usually, the body can resolve this on its own. Another common reason is circulatory problems. When blood vessels have difficulty filtering fluid from the body, accumulation occurs in the feet, often due to gravity. Have you ever noticed that on hot days your feet tend to swell? Or after standing for a long time? This is common and doesn't necessarily represent a serious problem. Furthermore, some diseases, such as cardiovascular problems, can also cause swelling in the feet. Now that we understand a little more about the causes, let's talk about how to relieve this discomfort. Contrast hydrotherapy is an excellent option. It involves alternating between hot and cold water to improve blood circulation and reduce swelling. Just soak your feet in warm water for a few minutes and then in cold water for about a minute, repeating the process several times. If you're enjoying the video, leave a like and subscribe to the channel. We're just starting out and we need your support to grow. Share with your friends and let's reach more people together. Your participation is essential for the channel's success. Thank you for your support and trust. Another simple tip is to elevate your legs whenever possible, above the level of your heart, to help drain the accumulated fluid. The use of compression socks can also be helpful, as well as choosing comfortable shoes that don't squeeze the feet. Additionally, a foot massage can help relieve muscle tension and improve circulation. Regular exercise is important to prevent swelling in the feet, as well as taking breaks and moving around during the day. Walk or run for 20 to 50 minutes at least 5 days a week. Leg strengthening and stretching exercises. Practice yoga every day to help blood flow. Get moving, exercise, stay active, it will definitely help you. I hope these tips are helpful and that you can find relief for this discomfort. Remember, taking care of the health of our feet is essential for the overall well-being of the body. Share the benefits of this video with friends and family. Subscribe to follow the next videos. I'm leaving some video recommendations for you. See you soon.